So I'll be showing you some proven internet business opportunities that you can go into, make a lot of money with in this video. I'll be going over 5 specifically that you can make money with and how you make money with those opportunities. In this video, I'll be going over 5 proven internet business opportunities that you can use to make money with. Some of these are pretty well known, but I've surrounded myself with so many people, internet marketers. This is literally the best of the best. There's a lot of ways you can make money online, but I would call these 5 the most proven ones that are just easy and they just work like crazy, and there's a million ways within each of these options to make money. So the first one, Amazon FBA. Now that is a business model and it is a traffic source. So what do I mean by that? Meaning you're gonna make money from Amazon and Amazon will give you the traffic for your products. Now, if you buy products and you ship them to Amazon, that's Amazon FBA. FBA means fulfillment by Amazon. So what Amazon prefers is that you actually ship your products to their warehouses, not that you actually package it up and ship it yourself, because this allows people to actually take advantage of their Prime membership. So if somebody is a Prime member like me and my family are, we can get the product overnight. And what people want, the reason why Amazon has just exploded is because the shipping is so fast. I can get next day anything. Next day anything. That's insane. And Amazon is ruling the market because of that. And you're covered by their refund policies, everything you're covered by when you're doing stuff through Prime. So Amazon FBA is a good option. And by the way, these are in no particular order. These 5 opportunities, I'm just giving you some of the proven ones. Now, if you're looking to learn more about Amazon FBA, I'm gonna have my assistant put a link to a playlist of free videos that you can go through on YouTube about how you can make more money with Amazon FBA. This is an interview I did with my friend Tanner J. Fox, who makes hundreds of thousands of dollars per year with Amazon. So he describes exactly how to pick products and how to do that. You can find a link in the description or by subscribing to my channel. Now, the second proven business opportunity on the internet is affiliate marketing plus ad, okay? Now, affiliate marketing is the business model. What affiliate marketing is selling products on a commission-only basis, okay? And the way you get paid is simply you recommend those products to other people through a link or something. If somebody buys it, you make money, okay? You make money, you make a percentage commission. You can use ClickBank. Amazon has an affiliate program as well. ClickBank is the one I recommend. There's ShareSale. There's a lot of ones, but ClickBank is probably the most proven affiliate network. And ads, you use ads to reach people. Now you can use a number of ways to advertise affiliate products. You're not beholden to one source. You know, you can use Facebook, you can use YouTube, you can use Google to advertise affiliate related products. So you have a lot of traffic sources available. There's even way more. You can use, Instagram, Twitter ads, Snapchat ads. There's a lot of opportunities. But the point being, using the affiliate marketing business model and using advertising. Fast, easy way, proven to make a lot of money on the internet. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I actually have a free course on affiliate marketing. You can subscribe to my channel, and after you subscribe, on my homepage, there will be a playlist that appears, a free course on affiliate marketing taught by me. I do affiliate marketing for a living, and I make almost $500,000 a month, over that some month, doing affiliate marketing. So great business model. I love it. That's how I got my start. Third business model is Shopify plus Facebook ads, okay? Shopify drop shipping is basically what you're doing is you're taking products from China usually, and the Chinese people are putting a label on them, and they're shipping them to the US when somebody buys them. And the way you reach people, the way you get your traffic is Facebook ads, okay? So you're making money through your Shopify store and you're reaching people through Facebook ads. Now, the fourth proven internet business model is called starting a social media agency, or what I just abbreviate as SMMA, okay? Social Media Marketing Agency. And this is what Tai Lopez teaches, if you've seen him. Here in my garage, here in my ski chalet, here in my castle, I just landed on with my helicopter. He's teaching people how to start a social media marketing agency is really what he's teaching people how to do. Now, I actually don't know if he's ever done it himself, but that's besides the fact. He's famous now, right? And the way you get people to become clients or leads for your social media marketing agency is oftentimes, what Sam Ovens teaches is Facebook ads. There are a lot of ways you can do it not using the internet, conferences, networking, etc. But I'd say the most proven way is taught by Sam Ovens, and he teaches people to use Facebook ads and webinars to reach people and get leads for your social media agency. Smart way, proven way to start a business. Now, the fifth business model is a pretty interesting one. It's a pretty new one. I'd say it's come about in the last 2 years, like really big time. And that's what I call info products, okay? Info prods, I'm just gonna abbreviate it like that, plus YouTube. So info products plus YouTube. Information products are basically training courses. I sell a training course. The business models I'm doing are this and this. I have a training course on how to be an affiliate marketer. Now, if you want to go through my 6-week training course, it's a pretty long thing. It has goals, it's translated into 10 different languages, all this jazz. The results are crazy. I will actually have my assistant link to some of my success stories here. My success stories have been through the moon. I'm really passionate about teaching. But using YouTube to reach people to sell your information products. If you are an expert in anything, whether that's gardening, whether that's relationships, whether that's dealing with breakups, whether that's how to be happy, whether that's filming people, whether that's, dressing someone or doing personal style or doing somebody's hair, whatever you are an expert in or a little bit more about than the average person, you can reach people through a YouTube channel or YouTube ads and sell an information how-to product on that. Now, within YouTube, it's really about what I call how-to videos, teaching people how to do something, how to do a Brazilian blowout, how to do, a fade, how to dress yourself for success as a female. Whatever that is, that's all useful information people are looking to get more of. And it's not in the textbooks, it's not in college, it's not taught in high school, it's not even taught in books in a visual enough way. It's everybody's turning for education to YouTube. So YouTube's a great place to teach people. It's a very proven business model. I have friends who are making tens of millions of dollars per year selling information products. Just that, and they have a big YouTube channel. That's it. So really, all of these are very proven business models. If I were to guesstimate of what each of these would cost to actually do, I'd say Amazon FBA, $10,000. Be willing to have that money to invest in both your training and the products themselves. Affiliate marketing plus advertising, I'd say $2,500 to invest in your training plus advertising. Shopify plus Facebook ads, I'd say you want to give yourself maybe about $4,000, to invest in your training plus the actual advertising itself. Social media marketing agency, pretty cheap. Again, but I would say you'd still want maybe about $5,000 to invest in training plus the actual marketing of yourself through Facebook ads. I'd say you need more training to actually do this one. And information product plus YouTube, this is something I'd say probably about $10,000 because there's gonna be a lot of trial and error. You need, filming and time and just being an expert in something. This will take more trial and error. It's a newer space. There's not as much information about how to do this. So it's a bit of a longer learning curve. Woo! I hope that was helpful in teaching you some 5 proven business models online. Leave a comment if one of these in particular stood out to you as something that was more interesting than the other. I'd really like to know. I don't know what's going to be more interesting to you, but let me know in the comments what seems like is the most useful business model for you or what isn't. I don't know. But like this video if you learned something, and also subscribe to my channel and just punch that notification bell, because if you want to see more ways of how to make money online, how to grow your business, or how to do affiliate marketing, I come out with videos daily, baby, and I'd love to see you in the next one.